The mystery of TJ Pure Honey, between sugar-free claims and scientific facts under the microscope. Opening. Have you ever bought a honey product and read the claim on the packaging that says no sugar or no artificial sweeteners? Then you turn the bottle over, read the nutrition facts table, and it says sugar, 10 grams. How is that possible? Does this mean the product is fake? Does this mean the honey is fake? Or is there perhaps a scientific explanation we haven't understood? Today, we're going to conduct a thorough investigation. Ready? Let's get started. Before we start, this is an experiment of honey being placed on tissue. But first we put honey on a microscope glass sample that doesn't show anything. We will discuss this later. Segment 1. Who is behind TJ's honey? Now, if you look at the packaging, the manufacturer is listed as PT Ultra Sakti. PT Ultra Sakti is the company that produces Fresh Care. In 2012, they acquired the legendary honey brand Tresno Joyo. After the acquisition, the brand was rejuvenated and modernized, resulting in the name Madu TJ. So TJ is an abbreviation of Tresno Joyo, which means love and happiness. Segment 2. Contradiction, no sugar versus 10 grams of sugar. On the front of the bottle, it clearly states 100% pure honey, no preservatives, no artificial sweeteners, no synthetic colorings. But when we look at the nutrition facts table, under the sugar section, the number is 9 or 10 grams per serving. Wow, this is a lie, isn't it? It says no sugar, but why is there sugar? Wait a minute, don't be too quick to judge. This is the biggest misconception about honey. Bees make honey from flower nectar. Nectar contains natural sugars. In the process, bees convert nectar into the honey we know, which is primarily composed of fructose and glucose. These are natural sugars. So, if the nutrition facts table says 10 grams of sugar, that's the natural sugar content of the honey. The claim, no artificial sweeteners, means the manufacturer hasn't added sugar, high fructose corn syrup, saccharin, or other artificial sweeteners to the honey. In conclusion, Pure TJ honey is 100% pure honey, naturally containing sugar with no added sugars. There's no contradiction. There's a difference between natural sugar and added sugar. Segment 3. Who makes this honey? Bees or wasps? Well, TJ honey, like most commercial honey in Indonesia, most likely comes from farm bees. The most common species is Apis mellifera, a superior honeybee native to Europe and widely cultivated in modern beekeeping. Apis cerana, a local Asian honeybee, is also possible. Segment 4. Microscope Experiments, Part 1. Under a microscope slide, honey is a thick, homogeneous liquid. It does contain pollen, propolis, and enzymes, but the pollen grains are incredibly small, measuring between 10 and 100 micrometers. That's 1/100th of a millimeter. To see them clearly, we need very high magnification and perhaps even special staining. Without it, all we see is the clear liquid medium. So, it's not that the honey is empty, but that the players are too small to be easily seen. Segment 5. Microscope Experiments, Part 2. Well, this is actually a sign of authentic TJ honey. When honey is dripped onto a tissue, real honey is thick with large, complex sugar molecules. It doesn't easily penetrate the paper fibers. Conversely, fake honey diluted with syrup has a high water content, so it will readily absorb and leave a wet stain. Segment 6. Rainbow colors and mysterious bubbles. You see that thing on the bottle cap with the honey. It's red, orange, and yellow. It's so pretty. Why are there so many colors? It's not artificial coloring. It's a natural phenomenon called thin film interference. The bubbles you see are actually air bubbles, the packaging process at the factory, or when we pour and turn the bottle upside down, can trap air in this thick honey. Segment 7. What are the contents and benefits of honey? Honey contains carbohydrates, especially fructose and glucose, around 80%, vitamin B complex, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, and vitamin C, minerals such as calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and zinc. There are also antioxidants such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, and enzymes such as glucose oxidase. and finally their amino acids. Then the benefits for us are increasing endurance, increasing stamina, relieving coughs and sore throats, improving digestion, and as a good antioxidant. Segment 8. The danger behind the sweetness of honey. Remember the old adage, too much of anything is bad. Honey also has potential health risks, including weight gain, increased blood sugar, tooth decay, and digestive issues. So, enjoy honey in moderation, 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Segment 9. Who should avoid honey? The most absolute is for babies under 1 year of age. Never. Then people with diabetes, individuals with pollen or bee product allergies, people with bleeding disorders, or those about to undergo surgery. By the way, those tiny, irregular particles you see are the treasure trove of honey. They're most likely pollen, propolis, or beeswax. Segment 10. Conclusion and closing. So, my friends, honey is truly amazing. But like everything in this world, it has two sides. For most people, it's a source of health. For some conditions, it can be a risk. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss other interesting investigative videos. And press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll be taking my leave now. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video.